truth I discovered. No telling how all this will work out, but I've come too far to go back now. I am looking for freedom, looking for freedom. Oh, 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 and to find it cost me everything I had. Well, I am looking for freedom, looking for freedom. Oh, 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 and to find it cost me everything I had.
I know all too well, it don't come easy. Chains of the world seem to move in time. Try to walk around, but it's stumbling so familiar. Try to get up, but the down is so strong. It's gotta be winning my ball.
When I am looking for freedom, looking for freedom. Oh, 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 and to find it may take everything I had. When I am looking for freedom, looking for freedom. Oh, 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 and to find it may take everything I had. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so special about that place. Even your emotions had an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without a care, yeah, I was out of touch. And it wasn't because I didn't know enough, I just knew too much.
Does that make me crazy?
Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly. And I hope that you were having the time of your life, but do think twice. That's my only advice. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun.